In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round numbers in Excel. Rounding numbers in Excel is a simple but very useful skill, especially when you want your spreadsheet to look cleaner, or when you don't need to display long decimal values. If you're working with prices, averages, measurements, or any kind of calculation, rounding can make your data much easier to read. To get started, click into the cell where you want the rounded result to appear. Then type a formula in this format, equals round, followed by an opening parenthesis. Then the cell reference you want to round, a comma, and 0, and then a closing parenthesis. For example, if your number is in cell A1, you would type equals round, open parenthesis, A1, comma, 0, close parenthesis. What this formula does is tell Excel to take the number from that selected cell and round it based on the number of decimal places you specify. In this example, we're using 0 as the second part of the formula, which means Excel will round the value to the nearest whole number. So if the original number is something like 12.7, Excel will round it up to 13. If the number is 12.3, Excel will round it down to 12. This is helpful when you want to remove decimals completely while still keeping a mathematically accurate result. After typing the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the result and display the rounded number in that cell. One useful tip is to make sure you type the formula carefully, especially the parentheses and comma, because Excel formulas need the correct structure to work properly. Also, remember that the rounded result appears in the formula cell, while the original number remains unchanged in the source cell. That means you can keep your original data intact while displaying a cleaner version somewhere else in the sheet. This method is great for quick reporting, organizing financial data, or preparing spreadsheets for presentation. Even though the formula is short, it can save time and make your workbook much more professional and easier to understand. Once you get comfortable with this basic rounding formula, you'll find it much easier to control how numbers appear in your Excel files. For now, just remember the key idea. Use the round function, set the second value to 0, and press Enter to round to the nearest whole number. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.